installation. How to weld the big gap on the column. You see? Very big gap. Matagal po, very long time I to filing this gap. So can you see you in next video for the cutting, final cutting. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe and comment and like our YouTube channel, Mark's Adventure. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.